What's up YouTube, your boy JMac95 with another video, and today's video is about getting some wider tires for the V6, the RIPP Supercharged V6 of course. What I'm going to do right now is, as you can see, the back wheel, just to give you an idea how wide it is, the rear right now is 275, and of course because of the Brembo install I have 1-inch wheel adapters on all 4 wheels. 1-inch wheel adapter right there behind the rim for the Brembos, not necessarily the back but for the front, because the fronts are huge. My plan right now is, what I'm going to do is take these 275s, put them on the front by replacing these 245s, and here's where the 1-inch wheel adapter comes into play. You can see the thread it's low, yeah. So I'm just gonna go ahead and switch them out now. Alright guys, the tires are installed. Here it is. I don't know how they do it. They did the test drive, they did the balance, they put it on the wheel balancer, they did the balance, they did the test drive, and it fits. It's kind of dirty, but you know, it'll clean up itself. Start driving some rainfall or whatever. So no issues. Drive it, see how it drives. The only issue I'll probably have is the dirt kicking up because the mud guard, you know, and it's sticking out, but the mud guard isn't wide enough, so that'll probably be the only issue I have, but it's all right though. Hopefully I get some more traction, on there, and hopefully it drives well. So a lot wider than before, definitely a lot wider than before, definitely more noticeable too. good. I should have about 40,000 miles if I drive like a regular person. So 40,000 miles on these. As you can see, the car has 18,000 miles, and those were completely done. So, and those are the stock wheels. Those are the stock 245s. So now I have the 275s on the front now that were on the rear in the first video, and then I moved those to the front, 275s on the front, and I have the 315s on the back. And here's the place one more time, across the island, tire and auto repair. Thank you guys so much for sticking in there. Thank you guys for watching this video. If you guys have any comments, recommendations, questions, just hit up the comment below. Do you guys think it looks good? These are the Federals. You guys think it looks good? What are your thoughts? Would you guys do this setup also? So just let me know, hit it up in the comment box, and I'll definitely get back to you guys.